What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. If you ain't been here in a while, I've had a lot going on with other things, but today what we're going to do is I'm going to give away the secret to becoming the best, fastest Mastercam guy, or any kind of damn CAD software guy. I'm pretty sure it's in all CAD stuff. This is how you do it in Mastercam. This is how, what I like to call, prescribe toolpaths to the parts. I program 10 to 15 very intricate parts a day. How is that possible? Seriously, how is that possible? All you big shots, well, I can do it. I don't care. You can't do it. I've seen all you guys out there. You can't do it. So I can. Bah. Anyway, enough of that. Let me show you how I do it, okay? Egos aside, this is what you need. You need templates. You need tool templates, okay? All that is it's a pre-automated kind of thing that you just select, and you look at your part and you go, okay, it needs a dynamic path, a contour, a quarter 20, and da-da-da-da-da. And now how are you going to get all that? This is how you do it. Let's go into importing operations here, okay? Let's do that here. Let's do that. All right, so here we have my part. Let's say I already have my plane set up, and I'm going to start milling. Now right away, I think this is a quarter 20. Let's say I have to make a quarter 20 and mill a slot. That's all we got to do, let's say, for this part. Just mill this slot and do a quarter 20. Obviously, I'd make the whole part normally. So you come into here. After you have all your operations or your machine group picked, you right-click in there. You select Import, okay? Now let's get out of this stuff. I have to get out of this stuff to show you exactly how to do it. So my bad here. I'm going to delete that. So yeah, so you come in here and you go to Import, and this is how it's going to come up for you. Just like this. Okay? And now what I want you to do is select Remember File, open this, and I just hit the file icon. Now you're going to go to Mastercam Operations. You're going to select Mastercam Files. But today I have the education version. So I just did a couple example paths here. A couple templates. But at work I have a whole skew of templates that I made that are very successful. And I just basically prescribe programs and then automatically click in what I need for the Z depth and the containment. So that's basically what I got it boiled down to. Now how am I doing that? You come in here, double click Dynamic Rough. Okay, and you want to make sure it says Assign Current Systems and Construction Planes, Tools and Construction Planes. What that's going to do is it's going to assign whatever plane you're in. It's going to jam it right into that plane. Okay, and now what you're going to do is come into that path, geometry. Okay, whatever. So the path, I've already done all the enhancements in the path. Okay, so we're just going to go into this here. Let's just do an example. See, no, I don't want that. Okay. There we go. And let's just say we got some air regions here and here. Okay, so that's all I did is I selected my containment. I'm going to go into here to parameters. I'm going to select my Z depth. Okay. And it's going to automatically rough it out. See, but right now I don't have the floor on there in case you want to rough the outside. So for this one, I have to add 5 thou on the floor. Okay, and then all you got to do is, there, you got a path just like that. So now what about them quarter 20s? Instead of picking all that crap, let's say you just had to come in here and right click, import. Okay, or it said remember that file. So it's going to bring it right back to this. So this is where you're going to need to be looking. Shared Mastercam 2021, Mill, and Ops. All you have to do is create a file, do the tool path in the Mastercam file, and call it quarter 20, aluminum quarter 20, and save it under Shared 2021 Mill Ops. And all you gotta do is come in here and you double click that, and you grab all 3 of them, because you need all 3 of them to make the quarter 20. Now, all you gotta do is come in here, grab a point, regenerate. It's already set to a chamfer. Okay, come in here, last, regenerate, come in here, whoops, to the tap. Okay, now this pec drill, okay, usually I have it set at my work, I have it set at 650. But we'll put that at, yeah, let's just put that at 650. So I have it permanently set at that. And then, so that's going to do this is going to do a 500 thou tap. So all I had to do is select geometry and hit a Z depth. And now I have all that shit. Now I have, so yeah. That's what you got to do. You got to make these templates and import them. You're no longer programming at that point. You're just totally awesome. And then the people, oh, I can do that on Gibbscam. I can do that. No, they can't. They can't do it, man. You know why? Because you got to take the time to set up all the tools. You got to know everything about the system and how it all works and put it all together. You know all the holders and everything that you need to know. And then you can import your templates. I'm not saying nobody can do it. Of course, there's people out there that can do it. But this is how you do it, man. And you do this and implement this into your company, man, you're going to shine like a dime in the sunlight, bro. Anyways, thank you for watching my video. Next video is going to be dynamic area roughing. And what that is, it's a finished dynamic path. So, you know, when you finish with a dynamic path and you get the swirly shit, my next video is going to show you how to not have the swirly shit and how to finish it the same way with a dynamic path, but a more conventional looking way. All right, thank you very much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe. The Patreon thing, man, you know, I got into this thinking I was going to make some kind of money somehow out of it, and then I realized I wasn't, and then I realized that people out here enjoy the content, so I'm going to keep creating it. What up, dude? Thanks a lot, all you Clouder Maniacs. Mastercamiacs.